Did you know that the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer has announced that 55 pharmaceutical companies are going to get benefited from the production linked incentive scheme, which is part of government's Atmanirbhar Bharat plan? So let's learn more about this. The financial outlay for this production linked incentive scheme is rupees 15,000 crore, and it aims to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities and also exports in 10 different sectors which were earlier approved by the Union Cabinet. The Cabinet approved this scheme on February 24, 2021, and on June 1, 2021, operational guidelines were issued inviting pharmaceutical companies. These guidelines were issued by Department of Pharmaceutical after consulting with various department industries and also Niti Aayog. A total of 278 applications were made by 31st August, out of which 55 applicants got selected. All the applications were divided into 3 different categories. This was done to ensure fair competition and broad coverage of all the industry people. The distinction was made on the basis of size of the applicant, and also it was set on the basis of global manufacturing revenues of pharmaceutical industries. It was classified into 3 categories. So the category 1 included biopharmaceuticals, patented and generic drugs, gene therapy drugs. Category 2 included key starting materials, drug intermediates, and also active pharmaceuticals ingredients. Category 3 included autoimmune drugs, anti-cancer, anti-infective, anti-diabetic, psychotropic, and cardiovascular drugs, and much more. Some of the pharma companies which got selected as beneficiaries for the PLI scheme included Sun Pharmaceutical Company Limited, Natco Pharma Limited, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory Limited, Cipla Limited, and much more. But how does this PLI scheme will benefit these 55 pharmaceutical companies? So it will increase their manufacturing capabilities by overall increasing the production and investment in the sector, and also enhancing and diversifying the products related to it. One of the other aim of this PLI scheme is also to help these pharmaceutical companies to reach in size at a global scale. So this is how this PLI scheme is going to benefit all these pharmaceutical companies as per the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers.